Through this particular journey, students will learn about climate through cognitive and social constructivism, which are two of the 4 cognitive learning theories addressed in this module. Cognitive constructivism is highly influenced by what students already know and how they apply it to further their knowledge. Students will also partake in social constructivism, where they will work together and apply what they have learned. Here is the following path the students will take. There will be a class discussion to probe prior knowledge and create the proper environment. There will be a climograph activity introduced to induce critical thinking. There will be a classroom discussion about factors that create a climate. There will also be an activity called Northia, which allows students to apply what they have learned, and a climate change computer lab, which allows students to apply what they have learned to current climate issues. To begin our journey, I facilitate a classroom discussion about climate. I begin by probing their prior knowledge about the difference between climate and weather. We then discuss how they can already determine the climates of certain areas. For example, I ask them to describe the climate at the equator and at the poles. We then discuss the factors that could be possibly influencing the area. After the class discussion, students will begin constructing climographs for 3 different cities. During this activity, they will apply their skills in creating 3 graphs using multiple sets of data. This is an advanced skill that the students have been working towards throughout the trimester. Using the graphs they have created, they will then answer questions about them that help them analyze the data. Creating graphs and analyzing them is applying the cognitive learning theory. This activity is designed to advance students' thoughts towards factors that affect an area's climate. After we discuss the climograph activity, we then move into the 6 factors that control a climate. After learning about the 6 factors that create a climate, students will then apply this knowledge to a fictitious continent called Northia. During this activity, students will be engaged in the learning theory known as social constructivism. Students will work together applying the 6 factors accurately to multiple locations. While determining the climate and the factors involved, they will also have to use their graphing skills to determine what the climograph will look like for each area. Once the students have applied the 6 factors, we hold a classroom discussion to discuss why certain groups applied certain climates and to eventually agree on the correct factors. The final part of the lesson is to apply what they have learned to current issues. Global warming is a very popular debate and is currently being researched. Students will end the lesson by exploring the 2 sides of the issue, both human involvement and the natural causes. Students again collaborate in collecting information on what they think is the cause of global climate change. Here we will see 2 students working together and analyzing a chart on global temperatures. In conclusion, there has been many levels to this lesson and 2 learning theories incorporated, which were social and behavioral constructivism, that have enriched this lesson and created an enhanced learning environment for all students.